If selling online sounds like an interesting idea you'd like to realize, wouldn't it be great to make it happen successfully and profitably? Izonet offers you a complete e-commerce solution. You can create your own successful online store and start selling today. We provide you with designed store templates, create an interface for you with both your clients and suppliers, hand you the best marketing tools, and ensure your customer payments and general store operations are 100% secured. You can manage all of your suppliers, orders, and invoices with our unique and one-of-a-kind Dropshippers integration system. With the Comparison Shopping Sites integration feature, you can literally reach over 250 million people with a press of a button. This feature also includes big guns such as eBay and Amazon. A built-in search engine optimization system ensures that when potential customers run searches on the different search engines on the net, they find your store at the top of the search results. Accompanying you throughout the entire process and helping you every step of the way is our dedicated team of e-commerce experts. They really know what they're doing and really want to help you. Sign up at izonet.com and start selling today.